Looking for the best Peak Design clip system but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best Peak Design clip system based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Peak Design Mobile Creator Kit is a fantastic phone mount for content creators on the go. Its SlimLink technology provides a seamless connection to Peak Design mobile cases and MagSafe-enabled phones, making it easy to adapt to a wide range of mounts and accessories. It's a great option for vloggers, photographers, and anyone who needs a reliable phone mount for capturing high-quality footage. Number 4. The Peak Design Capture Camera Clip V3 with plate is essentially the same as the Solo Clip, but with a standard plate for attaching your camera. It's a great option for photographers who need a bit more flexibility in their setup. The clip itself is still incredibly secure and easy to use, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable camera attachment. Number 3. The Peak Design Capture Camera Clip V3 is an incredibly versatile and secure way to attach your camera to a backpack strap, belt, or bag. It's perfect for hikers, bikers, and photographers who need a reliable and accessible way to capture their shots. I've used it on some of my most challenging shoots, and it's never failed me. Number 2. The Peak Design POV Kit V2 is a game-changer for action camera owners. Its low-profile design and quick connecting mechanism make it perfect for capturing smooth, hands-free footage on the move. It's a must-have for anyone who loves capturing adventure sports or vlogging. Number 1. Peak Design Anchor Connectors for Peak Design Straps. These 4th-gen connectors are super reliable and easy to use, perfect for anyone who's already invested in the Peak Design ecosystem. I'd highly recommend them to anyone who needs to attach and detach their gear quickly and securely. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.